Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to configure Windows for a safer Wi-Fi connection. Cybersecurity is more important than ever, and securing your Wi-Fi connection can prevent hackers from accessing your sensitive information. Let's dive right in. When you connect to Wi-Fi, especially public networks, your data can be vulnerable to attacks. Hackers can intercept your connection, steal passwords, and even install malware. But don't worry, by making a few simple changes in Windows, you can make your Wi-Fi connection much safer. First of all, switch your network profile. To change your network profile, navigate to Settings, Network and Internet, Wi-Fi, and click Manage Known Networks. Select the network you're connected to and choose your desired profile. Switch your network profile to public in Windows 11. When connected to Wi-Fi, enhances security, especially in shared or untrusted networks. A public network profile applies stricter security rules by the firewall. It prevents your PC from being discoverable by other devices on the network, reducing the risk of unauthorized access. Switching to a public profile disables features like file and printer sharing, which are more vulnerable in untrusted networks. When should you use it? When connecting to networks you don't own or trust. In any environment where security is a concern and you want to minimize the risk of cyber attacks. For private networks like your home Wi-Fi, you can use the private profile, which allows discoverability and file sharing among trusted devices. You should also stop automatic connections to public Wi-Fi networks you have used. Stopping automatic connections to previously used Wi-Fi networks is important for improving security, privacy, and control over your device's connectivity. It will prevent you connecting to malicious networks. Attackers can set up a rogue network with the same name SSD as a trusted one you've connected to before. If your device automatically connects, it may expose your data to unauthorized access. Manually choosing which network to connect to gives you more control, ensuring you are always connected to a reliable and trusted network. To disable automatic connections, click the Wi-Fi icon in the system tray. Select the network and uncheck the Connect Automatically option. Also forget some Wi-Fi networks you have used, especially public ones. Forgetting saved Wi-Fi networks is important for maintaining security, privacy, and optimal performance. If a previously saved network becomes compromised or unsafe, your device might still connect automatically, exposing it to potential security threats. Saved networks can reveal places you visited. Forgetting them reduces the risk of location tracking through your Wi-Fi history. Also, enable random hardware addresses. Enabling random hardware addresses improves your privacy and security when connecting to Wi-Fi networks, but not all network cards support this feature. Normally, your device broadcasts its MAC address, a unique identifier for your network card, when searching for Wi-Fi networks. This can be used to track your location and activity. Random hardware addresses replace your real MAC address with a random one, making it difficult for third parties to track you. My card does not support this feature, so it is not showing, but it's supposed to show like this at the bottom. Just enable it to. Public Wi-Fi networks often log devices by their MAC address. Randomizing it makes it harder for attackers or network administrators to track or target your device. Not all network cards support random hardware address functionality. The feature requires firmware and driver support, which may not be available on older or budget network cards. Also set network IP settings to automatic DHCP. Setting your network IP settings to automatic DHCP when connecting to public Wi-Fi enhances security and convenience. Public Wi-Fi networks can be risky due to the potential presence of malicious users. DHCP typically assigns dynamic IP addresses that change with each connection, reducing the chance of an attacker targeting your device based on its previous IP. Public Wi-Fi networks often manage their IP address allocations through DHCP. Setting a static IP might inadvertently bypass network security settings, making your device vulnerable to attacks or misconfigured routing. To safeguard your data from unauthorized access, it is essential to use modern encryption standards such as WPA3 or, at a minimum, WPA2 for your Wi-Fi network. Although encryption settings must be adjusted through your router's interface, Windows allows you to easily check the encryption protocol your network is using. If you discover that your network relies on outdated encryption, you should update the settings. This can only be done if you have administrative access to the router. Also, make sure to update your Windows and drivers. Keeping your system updated ensures you have the latest security patches. Also, make sure your Windows firewall is turned on. Ensure that firewall is on for both private and public networks. This simple step can block many potential threats before they reach your device. Also use strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Always use a strong password for your Wi-Fi network. A strong password should be at least 12 characters long, including a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and special characters. Additionally, enable the two-factor authentication, 2FA, wherever possible, especially for important accounts like email or banking. This adds an extra layer of protection. As an added layer of security, install trusted antivirus software. This will protect you against malware, spyware, and other online threats that might bypass your firewall or encryption. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll make your Wi-Fi connection much safer and protect your sensitive information. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more cybersecurity and tech tips. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.